one of the most highly rated restaurants for Korean grill. And they say Google reviews never lie. And ang-intense itong 4.8 Google rating with over 2,000 plus reviews. Plus awarded pa sila ng top tier dining. Okay. Hindi naman kami nagkamali na dito mag-lunch sa Sariwon. Dito lang siya sa BGC High Street. We got the Yuletide Feast Grill na good for 4. Hindi sila unlimited besties, pero you can definitely expect quality meats. And yun naman din yung nakuha namin. Oh, but the side dishes are unlimited naman. So the set includes 2 plates of short ribs and rib fingers. I mean, look at that marbling pa. Both were super tender and beefy. We prefer the short ribs better. And though masarap naman yung rib finger, medyo natamisan lang ako ng konti. The set also includes some dubujjigae and pajon. Love how crispy on the outside the pajon is and soft on the inside. Yung dubujjigae was seafoody and sana lang mas spicy siya ng konti. The set also includes bibimbap na we really enjoy. The signature Korean flavors are present and hindi rin siya ganun ka-spicy kaya mas nagustuhan siya nalo ni nanay. May 4 drinks na rin siyang kasama and pwede kayo mamili from coffee jelly, honey lemon, dalandan, or refillable iced tea. Meron din pa fresh mango banana shake and fresh red grape shake. Korean banchan's honestly walang tapon. All were quality and masarap. Favorites were the kimchi. Nakailang orders kami nitong pumpkin. Honestly, lahat naman nakapag-refill kami at least twice or thrice. And overall, we really enjoyed the food. Plus, grabe yung service nila. Napaka-maasikaso, very kind. As in, one of the best service ata na na-experience namin. I mean, it's not the most affordable Korean grill restaurant. Pero in fairness naman kay Sariwon, you get what you pay for. Enjoy!